Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and today I'm testing a strategy that combines the Keltner channel and RSI indicator. People say this 1 minute setup is powerful for binary trading, but I want to see for myself if really it works. So make sure you watch till the end to see the real results. So here is the setup I am using. First, we need to click on these three dots. When you click on it, you click on the second one. That is where you find the indicators. You look for Keltner channel. I'll spell it so that beginners will not make mistake. And you look for RSI. The setting of the Keltner channel, you click on this icon that looks like pencil. The EMR period is 11. You change it to 11. The ATR period is 13. The multiplier, leave it at 1, then you press save. You click on RSI, change the period to 7. Time frame, you click on these three dots again. Click on the first one, you see candles, line, bars, Hekinashi. We are using candle. You click on time frame, click on 30 seconds, and that's it. You click on here, written time, click on M1, that's 1 minute, and that's it. So the trading is going to be a 1 minute trade, while the candles will only open and close for only 30 seconds. This thing here are called currency pairs. Make sure you choose currency pairs that have the high payout. See this one, the first one is plus 92%, plus 90. Those are the ones with high payout. Anything below 90, do not trade with it. Now, how the strategy works is, if this red candle closes below the Keltner channel and RSI is below 50, or even touching, this is a good one. This is a good example. I had to take it, but let me explain further. If a candle closes below the Keltner channel, like close, see this one closed very well, and RSI, this line is below 50 and even touching 30. This was a perfect example, so I didn't want to let it go. Then you take a sell trade. And now the reverse is the case. If a green candle closes above the Keltner channel and RSI is above 50, even if possible touching 70, then you take a buy trade. If these two indicators do not give the exact signal, please do not take a trade so you don't lose your money. So let's wait for this trade to finish. Let's see if it was profitable. Yes guys, it's extremely profitable. I took about 16 trades and all of them were profitable. I took about 16 trades, look at it, and all of them are profitable. So this strategy is fire. Let's look for another currency pair. Remember, what is happening in another currency pair is not what is happening in another currency pair. This would have been a good one, but the volatility is too much. See the long wicks is showing that the market is not stable, so it can flip up on you. Once you see all these long things in a candle, please do not trade on this currency pair, because the market can flip within seconds. It shows the market is not stable. The buyers have the market, the sellers are dragging it, or the sellers are holding the market and the buyers are dragging it, so it can flip on you. Do not take such trade. Let's look for another currency pair. It can take you time to see a good setup, but it is worth the wait. Do not rush and take any trade. Make sure you are as patient as possible to see the right setup. Okay, so this is a good example. Let's work with this. Candle closes above Keltner channel. RSI is above, in fact, touching 70. Make sure you're always patient. Make sure you are always patient. Do not rush and take a trade. It was profitable. Although we lost some, but it was profitable. I don't know why. Some were profitable. I got 2 cash back. 1, 2, 3, 4 were a loss. So we were able to get, some were profitable while some weren't. So you see, the strategy is profitable, but it's not 100% profitable. So you have to practice in your demo account. Here is another perfect example. Candle is about closing below the Keltner channel at the tip below. RSI is below 50, touching 30. So we are going to take a sell trade. This strategy looks very profitable, but make sure you are as patient as possible for the right setup. I took about 20 trade. And let's see what happens. Wow, wow, wow. You can see it's all profitable. It's all profitable. Look at it. All of them were profitable. So after testing this RSI and Keltner channel strategy on pocket option with 1 minute trade, here are my results. I took more than 20 trades, but I will not advise a beginner to do that. You can take 1 or 2 trades. I took more than 20 trades, and about 30 were profitable because I took them all at once, while 5 was unprofitable and I got 2 cashbacks. My honest review, the strategy works best when the market is trending, but in a volatile condition, it can give a false signal. So I will not call it a perfect strategy, but it definitely has a potential of giving you money if you're very, very patient. So if you enjoyed this strategy test, hit the like button to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy I will be testing. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried the Keltner channel and the RSI indicator? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.